bag and a tool like this, or just a shovel, a little mini shovel, and you're gonna need the actual plant. First you want to dig out the hole. I did it. I already dug out the hole, and then I put in some potting mix. Before you put the plant in, always water the plant first. Quick. See if I can water it a little bit gently. Always water the plant first, so that when you plant it in, the roots don't dry out completely. So wait for it to get all wet in, and as soon as you see a drop of water coming out the bottom, then that means it's ready to go. Before we put the plant in, we're going to get some potting mix, and we're just going to sprinkle it more all the way around. We're going to get the plant. We're going to take out the sticks that I put in, keep it steady. And then I'll put the sticks back in as soon as I put the plant in. Alright, I'm going to need to take off my glove for this part. Then, we get the pot, we turn it upside down, squeeze the bottom carefully, and as you can see, the roots are all bunched up. So you want to loosen the roots so the plant can easily spread its roots once it's planted. Turn it over and make sure it's exactly the same size as the pot. Then get your other shovel and push in. Just push in, pat it down, push it all in. Pushing it in, and then push the plant down firmly, because if air touches the roots, it will dry out. Then get your potting mix and put it all around so the plant can be stable to the ground, all around. Then, as soon as you finish with that, get the sticks that you pulled out from the plant and gently put it where it's all loose, right here. Please put all 4 of them right here in a giant square. And if you see a droopy leaf, put the thing right on it. All of them must be looking like a bush. As soon as you put it all together, then firmly push the twig, the dirt next to the twigs, and push it firmly so it can be stable. Then get your watering can and simply just start watering gently all the way around. Let it dry for a second. You can see how the water's traveling that way. That's okay. Soon the roots will spread out all along here. If you see any dead parts on the leaf or anything on the leaf, take it off. And if the leaf touches the dirt, just go and pinch it right off. And then go and put it in the compost, or just take it home and wash it and eat it. And that's all for today.